that what I'm supposed to be saying? What? Where are you? Okay. I'm Jake from Jake's Store and Emporium. And has this ever happened to you?
Where are my doors? And handles? Wait a minute. Where did I leave my door handles at? God damn it, I left it at home again. Dang it!
We got white door handles and white doors. We also got, I think, red. Feels like red. I'm reading Braille here. Blue and gold and all them type of colors. So come on down to Jake's Store and Emporium. We got the best door handles and doors in the galaxy. And don't forget to bring your wallet, cause we need money to keep the lights on. It seems I'm being kidnapped. Hi, guys. Ow! Where's the money? I told you I don't have the money. Not yet, sir. Where's the bloody money? I'm okay. Just joking, it's me. Anyway, we want door handles and doors. We got 50% off of our best door handles. We got, I believe, this is a door. We're just gonna say it's $500 for a door. The size of me, so that's not bad. $50 for or $20 for this door handle that just fell off of the roof. Or maybe it was fell off a door. I don't really know. I'm blind as a bat. I can't see shh. So, anyway, come on down to Jake's Door Handle and Door Emporium, where we got the best door handles in the galaxy. Don't you forget it. I've been Jake, and this is me being hoodwinked. Just joking. But anyway, come on down. I'll give you an estimate and the price on your door, and it won't cost you anything to put it in because it's on us. Jake's Door and Emporium. Is this what the kids are into these days? Licking doorknobs and shiz? I don't know. You kids disgust me. Hey guys, it's me, Neon Ninja. If you like this video, please slice that subscribe button with your katanas and such. And please show us some love because I got a new editor. He's right there. Y'all know him. Y'all love him. He's eFarmer Pat, and he's go check out his channel. He's gonna be editing my videos from now on. And he's also gonna have his own channel. So anyway, if you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, throw that kunai at the bell button, and slice the subscribe button. I gotta say it again. And I'll see you guys next video. Next video, yeah. And remember, just hold your swords high, stay random, and trust nobody.